Today, our mission is to review the SmartCine smartphone video kit by MovoPhoto. Say that 3 times. Hope you enjoy our video. Well, welcome to another episode of Senior SNOOPS Reviews. Today, we're going to talk about the SmartCine Complete Universal Handheld Smartphone Kit. Today, we're looking at the SmartCine Complete Universal Smartphone Video Kit. This is a handheld device for smartphones so that you can mount your smartphone to it. It has a built-in microphone, handle, and 3 different lenses that you can attach to get 3 different effects. It's basically an all-in-one smartphone video kit, and it has an LED light that's built into it with 3 different settings, and then you have a wide angle, a fisheye, and a telephoto lens, which I thought was really cool compared to some of the other video kits that are out there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to unbox it and see what we have here on the table. Of course, we have a nice case. There is a couple of different cables for attaching to either a GoPro computer or a smartphone. There's also a charging cable for the device itself. This is the main device. As you can see, that there's an attachment on the back for your smartphone. As you can see, it has adjustments for the smartphone so that you can use different smartphones with it. It's not set to just one. Put the camera through there, on-off switch, and then a volume control which controls the amount of gain within the system itself. There is an out jack and then a headphone jack, and then you also have on-off for your light, and then you have 3 different settings for the LEDs that are built into it. Microphone on top. This one's set up primarily for a wireless system, but it does work really well in picking up audio signals. Also have a secure strap, a nice little handle that screws onto the bottom, telephoto lens, wide angle, fisheye, and then a little sunshade for shooting outside. So let's go ahead and let's put this together with a smartphone and see how it does. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and assemble this. Take the main body, always loosen up the screws, give you the adjustment up and down depending on what smartphone you're going to use. Make sure you have the adjusters opened up a little bit. One thing that we did notice is that it is not real happy with any of the cases. Because the rubber bumpers are designed to fit right around that smartphone. So what we'll do is we'll get everything lined up. What we want to do is we want to get the camera centered into the hole there, and then pull that out a ways, make sure we're centered. Tighten down the jaws to hold the smartphone in place. nice and snug. If you want to use the safety strap, you can. We're going to go ahead and just screw in on the handle. And the nice thing about these lenses is they basically just screw right into here. So you can switch them out fairly quickly and use them in any way that you want. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and verify that we have everything lined up the way we want. You can see that we've got a good picture. There isn't any black around the edges. Switch it over to video. You can see it's pretty handy. We use these for a lot of different things. In fact, I actually have two of them. And the first one works so well, we went ahead and ordered a second one. And you can, with this, you can go ahead and hand hold it. You also have the 1/4 inch in the bottom, so it'll fit into a tripod if you want it to. And then you can go ahead and video from there. It works great for blogging, so if you wanted to turn it on, you could go ahead and add lighting as bright as you needed to, set it up on a tripod on your desk, and you're off and running. It's really a nice thing to have all in one. One thing we did notice is that, and we're doing a video right now so that you'll see how well it turns out. But anyway, the one thing that we did notice too is that I've got a lightning plug, so you have to get an adapter. Everything here is tip ring sleeve, and it's for GoPro it's 2. Some of the smartphones it takes 3, and this of course is lightning, so we have to use a lightning plug. But all in all, it works really well. Let's go ahead and we'll screw on a lens and play around with that for a minute. And you just put it into the center and turn off the lights so I can see what I'm doing. There we go. A couple of turns. It's got some nice lens covers. Pop the lens covers off, and you have a telephoto lens. You can see it moving in there. And let's see what it looks like. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to record on the smartphone and play around with the lenses a little bit. Okay, so now we're recording with the telephoto lens installed. This is our kitchen. You can see that it's manual focus. So here's a quick video of the fisheye lens and what it looks like. Of course, we're going to be in a circle because of it being fisheye. Okay, now we've just switched over to the wide angle lens. It gives you a whole different perspective, and you don't have the ring around the outside. So, but the quality of the images is pretty good with these lenses. Now we're going to go ahead and take all the lenses off and go with just the standard lens in the smartphone. So now we're back to the standard image that's within the phone itself. See, everything's just a little bit closer, and you don't really lose any quality as far as colors and the quality of the video itself by using the lenses. Well, we hope you enjoyed the review that we did. Overall, I really like the way it handles the smartphone, the weight of the grip on the bottom, just the ease of use, and you can pretty much carry it anywhere. And then with the safety strap, you don't have to worry about dropping it. The added features are the other lenses that we didn't really talk about too much, but you can just screw those in and they're ready to rock and roll. So hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining Senior Snoops. We have accomplished our mission. We have reviewed the SmartCine smartphone video kit. Hope you enjoyed our video. If you'd like to see more, subscribe, or at least leave us a comment or a like. Thanks again for joining Senior Snoops.